I don't know about you, but slime seemed impossible to make as a kid. As I've grown, I've learned that it's not really hard to make. I'm here to show you that making slime is quick and not complicated as it once seemed. After gathering, mixing, and kneading, you will have the slime you once dreamed of as a kid. Let's start off by grabbing our materials. What you'll need is white liquid Elmer's glue, laundry detergent, borax, a cup of room temperature water, a mixing utensil, a mixing tray, food coloring, this will be the color of your slime, and a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon. We're gonna start off by mixing our ingredients. We're gonna grab our cup of room temperature water and add 1 teaspoon of the borax. And we are going to mix this until it is fully incorporated. Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to grab our mixing tray and add glue. You could add as much glue as you like. How much glue depends on the size of your slime. That should be good. Then we're gonna grab our food dye and add drops of color. This step is up to you. You could add as much color as you'd like. And we are going to use our mixing utensil to mix all the glue and the food coloring in until the glue is completely one color. Once our glue is completely colored with the color of our dye, we are going to go ahead and start combining both our mixtures that we did. We're gonna start by adding our borax solution 1 teaspoon at a time. That way we don't overactivate our slime. I'm gonna start off by just putting 2 for now. And using our mixing utensil, we're going to begin mixing our slime together with our solution. As we mix, the slime will be getting a lot denser and thicker, which is a good thing. That's what we want. And little by little, we're going to go adding borax solution to thicken up our slime. More. When our slime begins to thicken up a lot more, then we could begin kneading with our hands. We could start off by scraping our utensil and start mixing with our hands. At this point, you're halfway done, and the only thing you need now is to tweak out a little bit of your mixture. Finishing, if it's too sticky on your hands, you could add more borax solution to thicken it up. and it'll begin to not stick as much to your hands. At this point, a majority of the glue has lifted from the tray, and our slime begins to take form. As you can see, it's still a bit sticky, so we're going to start adding a lot less than a teaspoon, just small amounts, so we don't over activate and make our slime too hard. Once you reach a consistency you like, stretchy and not sticky, then you are done. If it is a little sticky, just add a little more borax, and if it becomes a little too hard to the point that it rips, you could go ahead and add a little bit of Elmer's glue. Little amounts at a time. And just completely knead that together. Our summary is that slime is fun and easy to make. Not only is it fun to play with, but it also helps you to be stress-free. Plus, it only requires a couple of steps: fetching materials, prepping your materials, and combining them. You can now live out your dream of making ASMR videos and show off your slime making skills to everyone you know.